you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Lated. Before starting into the video, I have a small request from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe me and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, you'll get notified first. Friends, today this video I again came with a product review, and product is from Bombay Shaving Company 5-in-1 skincare kit. In this video I'm gonna give a review about this product, and later on I'm gonna give demo also, so please do watch till end of my video and don't skip at any part. And here is the box. It comes with a good finish or package. If you open this, you'll get with another box, and you can open like this. And you'll get a sheet mask and a face wash, a face scrub, a peel off mask and a face pack. In this beautiful package, you'll get a sheet mask of quantity 1, skin purifying coffee extract, and you'll get a face scrub of 45 gram, oiler of charcoal and charcoal face wash of 45 gram, peel off mask of charcoal of 45 gram and a face pack of 50 gram. Friends, all these products are well designed or well shaped such that you can easily carry out wherever you want. It is travel friendly. If I want to say about the price, this skincare kit will get this for 633 rupees, but if you buy this on online, you'll get a discount for nearly 50 to 100 bucks. The best part of this skincare kit is you no need to seek or search for face wash, face scrub or peel off mask, because all 5 products are getting in one kit. Another best part of this kit is this kit can be used by both men and women. These products are made for both unisex. So let me give you a quick demo. First step is charcoal face wash. Squeeze out a button sized amount of face wash into a palm. Apply to a wet face and gently work on for lather. Massage well for nearly 1 to 2 minutes. Spread all over face and massage it well. Later on, you can wash using warm water. Coming to my second step is charcoal face scrub. Squeeze out a button size amount of scrub into your palm. Apply onto your wet face and gently massage for nearly 1 to 2 minutes using small circular strokes. Take care not to scrub too hard, especially if you have sensitive skin. Then you can rinse off using hot water. You can do this daily. Coming to my third step, it's a peel off mask. Before applying a peel off mask, you can take a steam, or you can also place a warm towel on your face for nearly 1 to 2 minutes to open all pores. Apply a thick layer of mask. I am just concentrating where there is dirt and blackheads, whiteheads, etc. You can apply all over your face. Avoid contact to your eyes. Then leave it for nearly 15 to 20 minutes. Just check when it is dry and then you can remove it off. Remove it gently. I could have shown you the whiteheads which came out. Let me show it. I think it's not fully visible, but you can see the whiteheads there. Coming to my fourth step, charcoal face pack. You can apply this pack using your fingers or brush. apply all over your face. Then you can leave it until it dries for nearly 15 to 20 minutes, and later on you can wash it off. And last step is sheet mask. I'm skipping this step. You can apply this once you're done with your face pack. And finally, washing off my face. Let me tell you my personal experience whether I will suggest this product to you or not. According to me, this is a best skincare kit because you are getting 5-in-1 in one kit, and it is affordable too. After using these products also made my skin smooth and soft finish. One negative element which I felt is here it's been given as it is of 45 gram, but it is not fully filled, only half it is filled and another half is of fully here. That is the sad part of this products. Whether I will suggest for you or not, definitely yes, because it makes your skin soft, glowing, and it also removes dirt, whiteheads or blackheads. If you want to try this product, I'll share the link in the description. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much, friends.